Good morning student, welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. Dear student, we have completed chapter 9 reading and explanation. Today we will do quick revision with the help of keyword given at book page number 88. Open your book. Okay. Open your book, page number 88. Keywords are given. First we will do revision with the help of keywords. First, skeleton. Skeleton is the framework of bones that give shapes to our body and protects the internal organ. So what is the skeleton? Framework of bones that gives the body shape and protects the internal organs. Okay. What is a skeleton? A skeleton is the framework of bones that give the body shape and protects the internal organ. Okay? Then second, joint. What is joint? A place where two bones meet is called joint. A place where two bones meet is called joint. Okay. First one is skeleton. Skeleton means framework of bones that give the body shape and protect our internal organs. Then second one is joint. A joint is a place where two bones meet. Okay? Read. A joint is a place where two bones meet. Then third, immovable joints. Joints that do not allow movement. Okay. Fourth one, sorry. Immovable joints means joints that do not allow movement. Means the joints in the skull are called immovable joint. Okay. Joints that do not allow movement. For example, the bones in the skull are called immovable joint. Then next, movable joints. Movable joints means joints that allow movements. Joints that allow movement. Okay. Then tendons. Tendons means when muscle attached to bones by tendons, strong fibers that attach muscles to bones. Okay, strong fibers that attach muscles to bones. Then voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles. There are three types of muscles: voluntary muscle, involuntary muscle and cardiac muscles. Muscles that are under our control are called voluntary muscles. Muscles that are under our control are called voluntary muscles. Then involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles means muscles that are not under our कंट्रोल, जो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होती है. मसल्स दैट आर नॉट अंडर आर कंट्रोल. एंड द लास्ट वन, कार्डियक मसल्स. कार्डियक muscles. Cardiac muscles means muscles present in the heart. Muscles in the heart. Okay. So movable joints means joints that allow movement. We have read 4 movable joints: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. Then tendons. Tendons means strong fibers that attach muscles to bones. है ना? Then voluntary muscles. Muscles that are under our control are called voluntary muscles. जो हमारे कंट्रोल में होती है. ऐसी मसल जो हमारे कंट्रोल में है उनको क्या बोलते हैं? वॉलेंटरी मसल्स. देन इनवॉलेंटरी मसल्स. मसल्स दैट आर नॉट अंडर आवर कंट्रोल आर कॉल्ड इनवॉलेंटरी मसल्स. देन कार्डियक मसल्स. कार्डियक मसल्स मींस muscle in the heart. Muscles present page number 89. Tick the correct option. Tick right the correct option. First, this joint allows the maximum movement. Option A, pivot joint. Option B, gliding joint. Option C, hinge joint. Option D, ball and socket joint. So read first one. This joint allows the maximum movement. Option A, pivot joint. Option B, gliding joint. Option C, hinge joint. Option D, ball and socket joint. So which joint allow the maximum movement? Ball and socket joint allow the maximum movement. Your shoulder joint and hip joint. So first one, this joint allow the maximum movement. Correct answer is ball and socket joint. Tick on option D, ball and socket joint. Then move on to next question. Second, the function of the skeleton is to option A, protects the internal organ. Option B, give shape to our body. Option C, allow movement of our body. Option D, all of this. All of this. The correct answer is all of this. The function of the skeleton is to protect the internal organ, give shape to our body, allow movement of our body. Then third, allow movement of our body. Option D, all of this. So tick on option D, all of this. muscles are under our control. Options are cardiac muscles, option B, muscles attached to alimentary canal, alimentary canal, option C, muscles attached to our skeleton, option D, none of this. So, muscle attached to our skeleton are under our control. So, third, these muscles are under our control. Options are cardiac muscles, muscle attached to alimentary canal, option C, muscle attached to our skeleton, and option D, all of this. So, correct answer is option C, muscles attached to our skeleton are under our control. Fourth one. Dear students, you have to do this exercise in your book only. Fourth one, the rib cage is made up of dash of bow-shaped ribs. Bow-shaped ribs. Options are 12 pairs. Option B, 12. Option C, 14. Option D, 14 pairs. Read fourth one. The rib cage is made up of dash of bow-shaped ribs. Options are 12 pairs. Option B, 12. Option C, 14. Option D, 14 pairs. So, rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of bow-shaped ribs. Okay, the rib cage is made up of 12 pairs. Okay, not 12. 12 pairs of bow-shaped ribs. So, correct answer is option A, that is 12 pairs. The rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of bow-shaped ribs. Fifth one, the gliding joint is present in A, wrist, option A, wrist, option B, toes, Option C, fingers. Option D, all of this. So, gliding joint is present in option A, that is wrist. Gliding joint is present in wrist. Option A is the correct answer. The gliding joint is present in wrist. Last, sixth one. Sixth, cardiac muscles are present in A, thigh. Option A is thigh. Option B, heart. Option C, arm. Option D, hands. So cardiac muscles are present in heart. Option D is the correct answer. Cardiac muscles are present in heart. बेटा आपको ये एक्सरसाइज सिर्फ बुक में करना है. No need to do in your notebook. Okay? Then next question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. It is also given at book page number 89. Fill in the blanks. First, a group of the organs together make up an organ system. Okay. A group of the organs together make up an organ system. Number 2, there are 14 bones in the facial region. There are 14 bones in the facial region. Third, the skull is made up of 22 bones. Okay, the skull is made up of 22 bones. Fourth, backbone is last one. Fifth. Fifth one. Humerus is a bone in the upper arm. Upper arm. Okay? Humerus is a bone in the upper arm. These are the fill in the blanks given at book page number 89. A group of the organs together make up an organ system. There are 14 bones in the facial region. Okay, third, the skull is made up of 22 bones. Fourth, backbone is also known as spine. Fifth one, humerus is a bone in the upper arm. Do this fill in the blanks in your book only. Write correct spelling of organ system. O-R-G-A-N, organ system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, organ system. Then there are 14 bones in the facial region. Third, the skull is made up of 22 bones. Fourth one, backbone is also known as spine. Write correct spelling of spine, S-P-I-N-E. And last, fifth one, humerus, H-U-M-E-R-U-S. Once again, I am repeating the spelling. H-U-M-E-R-U-S. Humerus is a bone in the upper arm. Dear student, today we have completed tick the correct option and fill in the blanks. I hope everyone has completed this exercise in book and learn it. You have to revise and learn this tick the correct option and fill in the blanks. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.